Hello everyone and welcome to chapter 8 joins. This chapter is divided into 8 lessons. Join overview, inner join by using natural join clause, inner join by using clause, inner join by using unclause, inner join, self join, non-equijoin, outer join, and the last lesson which is cross or Cartesian join. In the first lesson we are going to learn what is join and why we need a join. Joins are used to retrieve data from multiple tables or when using data from more than one table. So let's assume that you have two tables, employees table and departments table. In the employees table we have three columns here: last name, job ID, and department ID, where departments table contains two columns, department ID and department name. Let's assume that we want to return a list of all employees, the last name of the employee as well as the department name. So if you have these two tables, from the first table we can retrieve the last name, from the second table we can retrieve the department name. So for the employee name King, this is the name of the employee. What is the department name? From the employees table, I know the department ID, which is department 90, but there is no department name from the employees table. The department name is stored in departments table, not in the employees table. So how can we retrieve the department name in this case? So the employee King works in department 90. In the departments table, this is department 90, executive. So join is used to link the tables together to retrieve data from multiple tables. So I want to retrieve the last name from the first table and I want to retrieve the department name from the second table based on common column data. So we are reading the last name from the table employees, which is King, and reading the department name for this employee, which is executive, based on a common column data, which is in this case the department ID. Another example, this employee, the last name is Marvis, working in department 40. What is the name of this department? You can go to the departments table and see where is the department 40. So it is a human resource. So joins here is used to link two or more than one table together using a common column data to retrieve data from both tables. Let's have a look at this sample of data to understand the idea of the join more. We have here three tables. Table departments stores information about the department ID, the department name, and the location. We have a locations table, stores information about the location ID, the city, and the country ID. We have a countries table, contains information about the country ID, and the country name. So let's assume we want to return the country name for a department name sales. So this is department name sales. Department name sales can be joined to the locations table to find out the country ID. So sales has a location ID 2500. Where is 2500 here? This is 2500 here. So what is the country ID for this location? It is UK. Where is UK here in the third table? This is UK, which is United Kingdom. So using join, I can know where sales department exists, in which country. So here we can join departments table to the location tables using a common data, which is in this case location ID, to find out the country ID of the sales department, and then link the locations with countries using the country ID, the common data, which is in this case country ID, to find out the country name, which is in this case United Kingdom. So in this case we are joining three tables together to find out the department name and the country name. There are four types of joins: inner join or equi-join, non-equi-join, outer join, and cross or Cartesian join. Inner join, we can do the inner or equi-join using natural join syntax. You can do it by using closed syntax or by using unclosed syntax. There is a special type of inner join or equi-join that is called self-join, which is used to join the table to itself. For outer join, there are three subtypes of outer join: left outer join, right outer join, and full outer join. So in this lesson, we learned what is the join, what is the benefit of a join, and the last thing, which is join types. I hope this video was informative for you, and thank you for watching.